What's up, everyone? HM Lucky Slots. We are at a new slot, for us at least.
I think it's brand new.
Is it brand new?
Double explosion.
I mean, I haven't seen it yet, so let's see what it looks like. It's the monkey guys. We got two of them.
Bonus. It's insane.
And pretty sure
I
we
saw
still need.
together.
Really? All right. We're gonna do 5-cent denom. We're gonna do $3 bet.
Whoa!
Oh.
Just out the gate. Give it to us.
Yeah. We need 4 fireballs and 3 treasure chests.
Assuming the lanterns are wild. Lantern.
Shows you what's in the chest.
Yeah. Look at all this.
Look at me.
You can't have it.
A little teapot. That's pretty.
A little kettle corn.
Ooh. There's a kettle. All right, so that guys are wild. Ooh.
That would have been fun.
Oh. I like that. I also like that it tells you how much you're winning versus like you having to do the math.
Yeah, like credit wins.
Yeah.
Sometimes I like when you win a lot, though, and you get confused. You don't know how much you won.
Yeah, and then it's like, oh, look at $300.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Monkey Man, it's time to throw some balls.
Yeah.
And allow us to.
Can they both throw 2 and can we get the bonus?
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
I wonder if that could happen.
Oh. They're like in a hot spring. Oh.
Yeah, they're just hanging out in the jacuzzi here. Little balls. Let's
All
get
right.
something here.
Come on. Come on. 2 more. 2 more. Man, those are pretty numbers. Come on.
The lanterns, I keep thinking, are fireballs.
I know.
So they're kind of similar.
That's kind of how they get you. They like to confuse you.
I know. I keep thinking, I'm like, oh, we got it, and then I'm like, nah, that's not it. That's not what we're looking for.
It's not working now?
Well, the button.
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
Oh, what
well,
was
the game
that?
was lagging.
Come on.
I always hate when you get blockers like that.
Come on, fireballs. Where are you at? I need to get something here.
Something. Come on, baby.
Come on, now. Right now. 2 more.
You made like a very extra noise.
I know. I got excited. Oh. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Cool. That helps us out a little bit. Coin showers is always a good thing.
A little bit of dinero.
That's almost full screen flowers.
I like it.
I like it too.
Yeah. Trending in the right direction.
Yes. Come on. I haven't seen these fireballs land naturally though.
Yeah.
Come on.
I feel like these newer ones are just so much harder to get
Yeah.
the bonus on. I don't know if
Oh, there
that's
we go.
really true, but it feels like the old ones, like the old Route 66 and the Glacier.
Yeah.
I feel like those like bonus out all day.
Yeah, they're I really do like the old Firelings.
We all do.
Yeah.
Our subscribers seem to like that too.
I know.
Our
But
videos seem to do well there.
I do like these old, like the newer ones too, just because of the graphics and it's fun. Like once you do get the bonus, it's so much fun. Just because these monkeys are throwing fireballs left and right.
I just want to get the double Firelink feature.
I know. I want to see it.
We gotta get the 3 chests and then win it on the wheel.
Yep.
That's the only way to get it.
Step 1. Okay.
The little teapot.
Come on. Oh.
Get me all excited. The treasures. There's treasure
All right.
in there.
We need to see a bonus here soon. We need to see something happen here.
Come on, something.
I'm looking for it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
It's like
Come on,
angry.
baby. I know. I'm angry too. I feel you. Oh. Okay, buddy. Come on. Come on. Bonuses need to happen here.
Something needs to happen. Whole lot of nothing
I
going on
know.
so far.
It's too quiet.
We gotta heat it up. Let's try mix.
Ooh, I like that.
10-cent, $3.
Ooh, I like that. Let's see what happens. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? One more? Oh, you're telling me you can't get one more ball? Oh, man.
It even made a mystical noise.
I know. Mystical noise?
It did.
It made a
mystical
mystical noise.
It was like...
Yeah.
I'm all excited.
Me too. Do it. Two.
Other one.
Two. Yes.
All right.
Woo. All right. 10-cent denom worked on us. Whoa.
Look at these.
All right. All right, you guys. Not sure if I'm going to get the whole screen. I'm going to do my best. We're at the big screen here, but I love it. Ooh. Throw those fireballs. Throw those fireballs. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Oh, no.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at this.
What's happening?
Lap on.
Oh.
We can boost.
Oh, nice.
I thought it was going to give us an extra.
All right, you do it, babe. Save us.
All right.
Yes. Nice.
2 more, it's like $50.
Yeah, 2 more is 50 bucks. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Woo!
2 more for a full screen.
That helps us out.
There's nothing upstairs, but you're up.
Come on. Keep them landing. Keep them landing. All right, save us, babe. Move. All right. Hard to record and move at the same time. Oh! Hey,
He's
you
getting
get more money.
boost. Yeah.
Hey, I'll take it.
God, it's $1. Give us
38 cents.
$3 extra.
I'll take it. Well, that was our first bonus on this one. That's fun. I haven't played this one yet, so I like it. I like it. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, yeah. All right. $3 win. Not bad. Oh, look how pretty. You can do a whole show. Oh, what a presentation.
A true event.
It's amazing. All right, back to square one.
We need that chest. We gotta get that double.
Yeah. Oh,
Flowers.
$42 helps as well. I'm feeling good about the 10 cent. I like that.
Ooh. Come on, chest. I want the chest.
Chesties. Come on. Boom, boom. 2 more. Oh. Hey. Gotta get these free games.
Oh.
I know.
Little teapots.
Teapot.
Yeah. She'll do another one of those. And then can I do a double Maker's Mark and
Come on
soda
now.
water?
Come on.
Thank
2 more.
you.
2 more. Oh, it went by.
Comment your drink of choice in
Yeah.
the casino. I'm on the bourbon today.
We are on vacation today. In Las Vegas. Having fun.
Nevada.
Nevada.
Sorry, took your
No,
spin.
you're good. You're
Took
good.
your spin.
You're good. Treasure chest. Come on. 2 more. Oh, 2 more. Two. How come you can just throw 4? Just throw 4. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Oh.
Right there on that last reel.
I know. Okay. Come on, baby.
Chesty.
Like slowly through those too. What is that? Slow throw.
Well, what's kind of annoying is that, like, I mean,
See? He slowly throws.
yeah, I don't think we've ever even hit on those. Nor do I really see people hit on.
It's like we have to naturally get it, right?
Yeah, it's like I always feel like there's 4. Like every time they get active, I feel like we just have no chance.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
that's true. I haven't really. Have we seen the bonus when they help us out?
Yeah.
That's a good point. All right, buddy. Oh. Some people are having fun over there. Little bridesmaids crew. Do it now.
Prove me wrong.
Right?
I hate being right in this case.
I know.
Prove me
Yeah.
wrong.
Seriously.
I really want to see that chest and see if we can get a glimpse
I
of that
know.
double fireball, man.
Oh,
That would be so fun.
so true.
I saw it in the sample video.
Come on. 2. Two. Get a little hand cramp.
Yeah, you be the button pusher.
Okay.
I think you're gonna be better luck.
All right, come on. Come on, you guys. Wake up. Wake up now. Come on, give me 2 more. So cute. I love it.
I know what's great is like, I love people that just get pumped about playing slots and they get excited.
Yep.
And like maybe like they could have won like $3,000. They could have also been like be winning $100 or $200.
Yep.
But either way, it's like it's fun when you see people just enjoying themselves playing. It's always sad when you're in a casino and you're watching people like you kind of see people around you and they just look like they're at work or something, you know,
Yeah,
like they
it's
just look
miserable.
miserable.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is supposed to be fun.
I know. We love playing slots, like win or lose. I mean, you guys hear our videos, like we post videos where we do really well. We post videos that we do not so well. And
We like the entertainment value
we
that it
enjoy
brings.
it nonetheless. So, come on, chest.
And they're gatekeeping this bonus.
Yeah.
That could have been great.
I know, the teapot guy. Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Oh my
no!
gosh! I was like, this is it!
Can't believe you've done this. What a sick slow roll.
Wow.
Can we come back from the brink of death
Oh my God.
one more time?
Please.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna do one more here.
Wait, do the wager saver first. If this hits, we're getting the bonus. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
So close. Oh, she did get a jackpot.
She did?
Yeah.
Good for her. Oh my gosh. You didn't put in your card in, right?
Huh?
You didn't put in your card.
Oh, my card, we weren't accruing points the whole time?
Yeah.
Outstanding. Gotta love that.
Right.
Yeah.
10 cents.
Part of life is following directions. I didn't do it, so now I get punished. That's how it goes.
10 cents, $3.
All right.
The same, right?
Yeah. I think so. Isn't that what we're doing?
Yeah.
You run it.
Wanna run it? Hold on here. Maybe that was our problem. The volume.
We weren't maxed out.
Nope. Well, are you gonna throw some here or what?
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! Twice it's done that now.
Oh,
Please
you just hate to see it.
help us out, dude. Come on. Are you gonna throw some balls?
Oh yeah, they've been quiet. I forgot that feature was even active.
I know. Where were you, Chest? It helps. Switching sides. One more.
Oh, it's right there.
Man, come on. Have to have more than one bonus in her. Come on. Come on, two right here. Two right here.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh, wow.
On the board.
That actually worked for the first time.
What happened? Oh, the monkey throwing, yeah. I just realized that. We were talking about that.
Quiet, yeah. All right, let's see if we can land
We gotta get
one of these
something.
mini majors or something, man.
Let's go. Fire it up.
Come on, baby. All right. Come on, baby.
All right. Sorry, guys. Give us 1 sec. Thank you very much. All right, we're back.
Oh man, we're already here.
At the final,
Scary world.
the final release. We got this. Never in doubt.
Are you serious?
Man, that was a bit of a bummer.
Man, this is tough. Man.
This is
16 bucks almost. That is tough, man.
We're having a rough go of it, but
Alright,
we're still having a good time.
Having a good time.
Having a good time. Oh. Show me the chest.
Come on, let's get the chest here.
Chest time.
Oh, man.
Monkey.
Fireball landed on its fireball. That
Yeah, I
shouldn't be
saw
allowed.
that.
That should not be
That's
allowed.
happened before, and I was like noticing that.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
I'm getting upset. And this treasure chest is tough beans.
It is a guarded bonus, heavily guarded.
Heavily guarded.
They do not want just anybody seeing it. They are very particular with
Man, I
who
wish
gets to
that
see
kept
this
going.
bonus.
I know. Come on, chest.
Hello.
Come on, 3 chests.
Okay.
Nice. These line hits are helping out.
Yep, here and there. And then take us to Boney Town.
Get this to the chest town. Come on. We're getting it. We're getting it.
Yeah, where have you been?
See, it did it again.
Yep.
See? Stacked.
Come on, baby. Do not gatekeep this bonus any longer. want it. I want it.
Chest. Went twice.
That's good.
Extra for good luck. All right, you go twice. Oh, I like that.
I wanted to scare it.
I know.
Scared myself.
I'm scared about how much money we're losing right now.
Yeah, it's a little fearsome.
Let us know what you guys think. Do you guys like this game?
I think it's hard to find anything to like with.
I mean, I kind of wonder if it's just better to play those old machines versus a machine like this.
No, I don't think it's that. I think we just haven't had a ton of luck up to this point.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little bit of something there.
Come on. Oh. Stay alive, honey.
She won like $2 grand.
Okay, that's good.
That lady on the hand pay. Flowers.
Very loud machine over there.
Yeah. What is that?
All right, I'm ready to just jump right now.
Yeah, this is coming to an end.
Jump machine is what I meant. Yeah.
Can't come much quicker. Yeah, let's see if we can get like an exact bet here. Is that $5? No.
Just go 1 cent, $5.
Is it $5 though, or is it 6?
Oh, 6. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
That's right. Let's do. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Why would you do this?
Because it wants you to keep playing. Are you serious?
Alright. That was fun.
Okay, yeah. Alright, we're out of here. You guys, I hope you liked the video. I don't think we're going to be playing this one again, but this was fun. We gave it a shot. Make sure you catch us on the next video and like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. And we'll be back on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Wow, look at those numbers too. Dang.